Good morning. How's everyone doing? Hope you're having a great day. Today I want to take you over to a room. I have another problem going on. We had our air conditioning unit go, and luckily I installed backup air conditioning units, and I want to show you guys the importance of having that sort of redundancy in your closets. I posted yesterday just a short on having cooling in a data center or any critical room, so figure this would be a good time to show you how I have it set up. So I'll bring you along and show you the device I have, and we'll go from there. Stick around. Hey guys, so I'm in the room that I was talking about that's having the cooling issue. It's probably about, reading the thermostat now, it's probably around 80 something degrees in here. It's actually 83 degrees. I'll show you what we have in here for a system, and then I'll show you what I added in this room. So we have, obviously a Mitsubishi unit that's sized properly, but a lot of times we have these units fail for various reasons. I'm in a big building, so they do fail. So what I did down in the rack here is I bought these AAA SR Cool 7000 air conditioners. Actually, this filter needs to be cleaned. I'm glad I'm over here. And it's got the deflector right here, which is blowing up cool air onto my switch equipment right here. Believe it or not, this is intaking the in-room temperature here, but these are able to somehow cool it really fast. So this air coming out right now is 67 degrees, which is obviously keeping the equipment cool while the main system is not working properly. What you can do with these, obviously this is blowing out the hot air. You can get a kit to basically blocks that off, and then you vent that hot air out. Unfortunately, I don't have that ability to do that right now, just with the way this room is built. But like I said, these units are great. It's got an external monitor right here, which, as you can see, this is plugged into our network. So we can log into this unit, get the actual room temperature. So it's actually climbing a little bit. And then obviously this will send us temperature alerts too. So we know ahead of time when something's going wrong in these rooms. So like I stated in the short that I put up yesterday, cooling is, again, besides power, battery backup power, it's another, very important thing to have planned out for any sort of room that has any sort of infrastructure equipment in there, that's needed to keep things up and running and not overheat or shut down. I'll put a link in the description of this unit, but leave me a comments what you think. If you're using something different in your environment, if you're in the field, if I was able to design this room myself, I would have designed it to have two different separate units, but again, I wasn't able to design the room. So, but let me know down in the comments if you have any questions or about this specific unit, or you just want to leave a comment. And always, if you can hit the thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed, it goes a long way to help me build this channel. And I got a lot more great content coming out for data center type stuff, builds, and then I'm going to take you guys on some much bigger data center tours. So stay tuned to the channel. Until next time, have a good one.